Hello everybody to lesson 23 of JavaScript for Active Design course. In this lesson we will know the other type of loop, which is while. Let's go to the code. In the previous lesson we know how to create and manipulate the for loop. Now we have something called while loop. In the while loop we have another thing which we could deal with it, which is the following. First of all, you should write while, okay, then the parentheses in the block here. So here we write the condition we have. For example, imagine I have here a variable, okay, var x equal let's say 3. Great. So here I will say while x smaller than, while let's see var or x, okay, the same, while x smaller than let's say while the x is smaller than 3 loop. So it will loop while x is smaller than 3, or let's say x equal here, for example, 0, and here I will say while x is smaller than 3 loop. So as long as the x is smaller than 3, he will loop. So I'll write here, I will print something called document dot get element by id, then I'll write header 2, then dot inner HTML, then I'll write here the content I want to print. I will say here plus, and I'll write the content over here, which would be, for example, space, then plus, then the x value. Okay, great. And here I will say x plus plus. So every time he will loop, I will increase the x by 1, and then when we increase it, he will go to the condition and test it. As the x now, which is now for example the first iteration, it will be with 0, then we'll go here and be increased, and get the second iteration, it will be 1. So is 1 smaller than 3? Yes, so it will print here 1, and then it will return, it will increase, now it's 2, and it will return to the condition. Is 2 smaller than 3? Yes, and then he will print here the 2, and it will be increased, x will be now 3. So is 3 smaller than 3? No, so it will stop. Okay, let's save it and see what we have there. Refresh. So it prints 0, then 1, then 2. How is it gonna be that? It's easy. First of all, he starts with 0. It tests here if it is 0, if it's the 0 is smaller than 3, so he will come here and print 0. The second round he will come here and will the first round he will increase it, and the x now will be 1. He will come here. Is 1 smaller than 3? Yes. Then he will print here 1. Then he will come another time. He will put space and print 1, and then he will increase it with 2, with 1. Now it's 2. So is 2 smaller than 3? Yes, it is. So it will print here 2, and like this way. So the while is easy, I think. It's not so difficult, and I hope it's clear. So thanks for listening and watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.